everybody, I'm Manta Mobile, and in today's video we're going to be going to a very deep creek with my grandma.
This is Logan. He's on an adventure. Hopefully he won't fall in the deep end.
Caught a little crawfish.
Oh my gosh, he's already got one.
Yep. Already caught a little crawfish. There you go. Let's get some more water in there for him. There you go. Looks good. Oh, got another little crawfish. Let's get this guy in the bucket. Oh.
Did water get in your boot, honey?
A little bit.
I saw the tip of your boot go whoop.
Come here. There you go. Got another little crawfish.
Look at that guy. He's cute.
There you go, buddy.
Now Logan will let these go again right here in the creek when we're done.
Yep. Oh, man.
Tempting.
For Christmas, can I ask for a cast net, please?
What's a cast net?
Oh, it's like a giant, like, big net, and you throw it, and then there's like a rope on the end, and then you just reel it in.
Hey, I think that'd be a good thing to ask for.
Oh, another little crawfish. It's going to be freezing. There we go.
You caught him already?
Yeah. You just like put your hand behind them and the net in front of them. And then, come here. Come here. There you go. Do you like crawfish? Yeah. Oh, these ones are, I think they like each other.
Oh, either are the ones trying to eat the other.
No, they're not trying to eat each
Okay.
other. I think they actually like each other.
Okay. Break it up there. Oh, you're at the top of your boots, babe.
Ooh, let's go. Oh. Oh, no. I hate this. Oh.
Logan's boots are filled to the top now.
It's the middle of fall. I hate this. Oh.
It's a balmy 62 degrees.
Oh. My knees are submerged. There's a crawfish. Please make it worth it. My thighs are already numb. Yes, I got him.
Okay.
I can barely walk. Can't feel my legs.
See what you think.
But
Okay.
here's another little crawfish.
Color.
My boots are like 12 pounds.
Yeah.
Get off them.
There they are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't mock anybody.
Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, it hurts.
He really likes this nice cold wake up bath. Yeah. Are you having fun though? That's a new way to empty your boots.
1 second.
There's one boot.
So much body. This is freezing. Oh, there's a buttload. Let's go! I caught him! Oh! Look at this thing!
Oh. Don't trip and fall.
This is gonna have to be on my thumbnail picture right here. Look at
Let's see him. Oh my, you can see him through the net.
Look at this thing. Oh, he's so big.
Oh, mercy.
Okay,
Don't
buddy.
let him pinch you.
I might honestly do a pinch
Oh,
test.
no. You get the pinchers on him. Don't
Alright.
eat the little one or you're going out.
Oh, look at how big he is compared to the other ones.
Oh my gosh.
He's
He's a
huge.
monster.
Another good size. See why they call them crawdads?
Yeah? Why is that?
Because they're the size of like giant daddies. Thought I saw another like little one.
Yeah?
I caught the big one though. Of course, it's not as big as the other one because I don't think any fish is big. Crawfish is bigger than the other one. But
Oh, wow. We should have brought another bucket.
Huh?
We should have brought another bucket.
no, they'll be fine. Quit trying to pinch me.
Oh, that's a good sized one too.
Yeah. Oh, look at the big one.
I know. Pinching at all of them.
Here, go ahead and get the camera on me.
Back he goes. Troublemaker. Now, settle down in there, you
Oh, it's
guys.
this one. It's the little ones. So let's toss him back.
Okay.
Everybody else should be good. I mean,
Wow.
as long as we got this thing,
Yeah.
I think we'll be alright.
Yeah. But he was just laying there real quiet.
Yeah.
And the other one was pinching on his feelers. Uh-oh. Can he turn himself over? I don't know. I don't know how smart
I think
they
he's
are.
so old that he can't really get over.
The right thing.
Oh, there you are. I'm gonna go. No net. Hands. Got him. Let's go.
Oh, he's little. I know, I guess he's bigger than I thought. I just saw a little bit of him. Yeah.
Yeah. There's a little crawfish.
Look at that guy. He's cute. He's darker than the others, isn't he?
Yeah, I thought he was actually like a red crawfish, but no, he's a really dark. Little tiny crawfish just sitting on the rock.
Oh.
There you go.
Woo.
You okay?
Yeah, it's slippery. There's a chemical smell over here. I smell creosote from the railroad bridge above us. There's Logan.
Is this like a piece of driftwood? Or just a log?
Is it what, honey?
Is this driftwood or?
It's a log. Looks like a tree fell down. It's a big piece of a tree. Whew.
Let's see if there's anything under it.
Let's see if there's.
Instead, actually, I'm gonna go for this little crawfish.
Do you know how long we've been down here?
An hour?
2 hours. It says it's 3:30.
What?
We left.
We kind of left at 1:30.
Yeah, we left at 1:30, and we did look at Halloween decorations.
Yeah, so probably about an hour and a half.
Yeah. You are the king crawdad catcher, I'll tell ya. Red Lobster'd have you working for him. Here he comes. Catch number 1 zillion. Look at that little feller. Aww. Going into the bucket.
I still cannot believe about that giant one. He's huge. Oh. Remember how I said I want to end on a crawfish?
Yes, I do.
I'm going. No net. There you go. Get in my hands. Oh, he's missing a leg.
You see?
There we go. I got him.
He probably met up with the bully one that was in here. Let's see.
Oh no, he has all legs.
Did he? I think he just had it curled under
Yeah.
him, didn't he? The big one saying, "Let us out now. We're not having any fun anymore."
All right. Well, it is time to release him. So
Say that again.
what?
Say it again. It is time to release.
Oh.
I
Well-
had the camera down on this.
Oh,
while you were
well,
talking.
it is.
Sorry.
That's all right. Well, it is time to release them, so let's go do that. So after catching all these crawfish, now it's time to release them back into the river where they came from. One of these days, I'm gonna get a cast net and I'm gonna catch all those rosy daces. I'm telling you. So here's a pretty good size crawfish. Hold you first. Here you go, buddy. He is heading under the leaf right now. Oh, I want to save the big guy for last. Here's another little baby. Throw him over by the fish.
No.
What?
By the fish.
Yeah. Here's another one. He ate him. Alright, there you go. Another little baby. There he goes. Here's another little guy. One looks like a yellow crawfish almost.
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Yeah. I think I got two.
Two.
Yep. There you go. Here's another guy. Good size. And there he goes. Oh, this guy's just a little baby.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, buddy. Here he goes. It's a good size.
Mm-hmm.
There he goes. Now it's time for the big boy. Oh, hey, buddy. Don't even think about it. Oh, his legs were grabbing onto me.
Mm-hmm.
Well, time to say goodbye to the big one. Here we go, buddy. I'm gonna release you. Don't pinch me. Don't even think about it. There you go. You can see him standing up. He's just crawling around. That big one. So that was a fun video of coming to the Oakbrook Creek and just netting around, catching big crawfish like that one. And I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Be sure to hit that like button if you did. And other than that, I will see you guys in my next video of heading out to the Rocky River to catch some cool darters and cool other fish. See you then.